Hey everybody, it's Jimmy Grappone here with Realty One Group Revolution, licensed in North and South Carolina. Today's property that I want to show you today is 2001 Burton Point Court in Waxhaw, North Carolina. It's in the Millbridge subdivision. It's a five beds, four baths, 2,891 square foot home in the Millbridge subdivision. And as of November 16th, 2023, it is listed for $550,000. Now, I must disclaim this is not my listing. It's not Realty One Group's listing. It's actually listed by an agent at Mark Spain Realty. Let me scroll down here so you have their contact information. Katrina Strong at markspain.com. So Katrina Strong is presumably the listing agent with Mark Spain Realty. So if you're interested in this home or any other home as a buyer, I highly recommend that you work with a buyer's agent, because that way you're going to get full representation and guidance throughout the entire home buying process. Okay, so let's make my picture a little bit smaller here, and we're going to look at the home itself. All right, so here's a picture of the front of the house, and I'm going to move through this pretty quickly. You can always pause it if you want to see the pictures a little bit longer, or you can come to my website, jimmygrapponerealtor.com, or up here at the top, jimmygrappone.myrealtyrone.com. It takes you to the same place, and you can look up the address or any other home. So here's the front of the house, another front of the house picture. Here's the dining room, nice luxury vinyl plank flooring right here, crown molding on the inside, chair rail, and some wainscoting as well to give it sort of a formal look right here in the front. If you're not a formal dining room type person, you could always use it for a different purpose if you like. All right, so it's a very open floor plan down here on the main level. You can see the kitchen with the island right here, refrigerator, stove, microwave, cabinetry, everything over here is on the left wall. You've got a breakfast area, and then you've got your main living area as well. And this looks out over the backyard, and then the steps. So you have these like side steps, so it's not right when you come into the house. All right, so you've got your main living area down here. Looks like a bathroom off of here. Curious to see what's behind that wall. And just another picture of the main living area, another picture of the kitchen. Another picture of the kitchen here. It does have a gas range stove, white subway tile backsplash, white cabinetry and stainless steel appliances, and a large kitchen island. And then another little area right here, great little coffee nook. This looks like a butler's pantry. So you can see you can go from the kitchen through this little hallway, which they call a butler's pantry, that has more cabinetry and another countertop. And then that leads directly into the dining room. So this time of year with Thanksgiving coming up, if you like to entertain and you have people over and you eat in the dining room, that butler's pantry makes a great staging area between the kitchen and the actual dining room itself. Another close up here, you see the gas range stove. And here's the breakfast area overlooking the backyard through this sliding glass door. Looks like they've got a covered back porch. Nice large pantry. Okay, so this pantry is off of the butler's pantry is the actual pantry as well. So it's in between the dining room and the kitchen itself. All right, looks like this is the full bath on the main level. And this is going to be your downstairs bedroom. There is a drop zone here going into right off of the garage. And it looks like there's a Tesla in here, so I'm curious if it's already set up for Tesla charging. All right, so when you go upstairs, there's a loft area right when you get to the top. They have it set up as a gym and a TV room. This looks like the primary bedroom here with the tray ceiling, large bed in there. So you can tell that's the primary. Another look at that one. Here's the primary bath. You've got dual sink vanity. Nice creamy white cabinets, which I like. And it looks like it has a soaking tub and a nice stand-up shower with seamless doors. Here's one of the secondary bedrooms, another secondary bedroom, another full bath with a dual sink vanity on the second level, and a third bedroom upstairs with another full bath. So again, remember, this is 5 bedrooms and 4 full baths, it looks like. Here's a laundry room. Looks like the laundry, I believe, is on the upstairs, but I would have to confirm that. It does have a covered back porch. There's a look at your backyard. Slopes away from the house a little bit, so any of your drainage, when you get Heavy rains is going to flow down through this little low area right here away from the house, which is always good because you want that water to run away from the foundation. And just another look at the backyard with the neighbors around. And here's some amenity pictures. This is the clubhouse, the Millbridge clubhouse. They do have 3 pools at the clubhouse. So they got the main pool there, the lazy river with the slide, and then there's also the kiddie pool. And here's a look inside the clubhouse. So there's a full coffee bar, lounge area as well. Millbridge amenities. You also have a really nice gym workout facility as well. There's playgrounds. There's tennis courts. There's actually 2 pools in the community as well. So there's lots of things to do, lots of resources right there in the community itself. So here's the property description that was uploaded by the listing agent. And here's my contact information here. So if you are interested in this home or any other property, if you're thinking about buying or selling a home in and around the Waxhaw area or anywhere in the greater Charlotte area, reach out to me. I'd love to help you out, be a resource for you. Another cool thing about my website, there's an estimated mortgage calculator, monthly mortgage calculator for any property that's listed on the MLS. All you have to do is plug in some information and it'll give you an idea of your monthly payments. So this scenario that's pretty populated is $550,000 sales price, 20% down, 5% interest rate, which I've actually been seeing some opportunities where some lenders are allowing people to buy down or even giving credits on buying down the rates. 5% is probably still pretty low for right now, but and then you have to add your property taxes and HOA dues and homeowners insurance to come up with a full price. But this will give you an idea of what your monthly payment would be. Again, just go to my website, jimmygrapponerealtor.com. Have a list of some other similar listings as well in the area. And all you have to do is go on the website and type in the area that you're looking in, and it'll show you relevant homes for you. And I can also create a search for you if you are looking for a property. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, again, contact me directly. My information is up here in the upper left-hand corner, 704-313-8514, or you can email me at jimmygrapponerealtor@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, and we'll see you on a future video. Take care.